Hello friends, my name is Abhinav Pandey. How are you? I'm sure you are good. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yo soy Abhinav Pandey, encantada. Estoy bien. Nice to meet you. So friends, in previous lecture, you have learned in previous slides, you have learned the alphabets in Spanish, colors name in Spanish, days of the week, that is días de la semana, and as well as the meses del año, months of the year, and the nombre de las frutas, fruits name, hortaliza de raíz, and verdura de hoja, that is the vegetable name in which you learn the seven category in that. So friends, I come with a new topic, that is the counting in Spanish, which means contando and Espanol. But I will say contando and Espanol. So what we say the counting name in Spanish language. So let's start the topic. Vamos a empezar el tema. So friends, here you see I have written the numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, and in the next lecture I will give you after 20 number, 21 to 30 and 31 to 40. Okay, first one, 1. What we say 1 in Spanish? Uno. Repeat with me. Uno. Two. Dos. Dos. Three. Tres. Tres. Four. Cuatro. Cuatro. Five. Cinco. Cinco. Six. Seis. Seis. Seven. Siete. Eight. Ocho. Ocho. Nine. Nueve. Nueve. 10. Diez. Diez. Repeat with me. One, we say in Spanish, uno. Two, dos. Three, tres. Four, cuatro. Five, cinco. Six, seis. Seven, siete. Eight, ocho. Nine, nueve. 10, diez. Then we have 11. In English, you have learned this once, but it is not pronounced as once. It is pronounced as once, once, 12, doce, doce, 13, trece, trece, 14, catorce, catorce, 15, quince, quince, 16, dieciséis, dieciséis, 17, diecisiete, diecisiete, 18, dieciocho, dieciocho, 19, diecinueve, diecinueve, and last 20, veinte, veinte. So friends, repeat with me from number 11. Unce, not once, unce, 12, doce, 13, trece, 14, catorce, 15, quince, 16, dieciséis, 17, diecisiete, 18, dieciocho, 19, diecinueve, last 20, veinte. So friends, these are the counting numbers, what we are saying, that is the number name in English we say. So what they are called in Spanish as number name in Spanish. Okay, so from 1 to 20 I have written this. uh, from today onwards I will give you some trivia questions on this. I covered most of the videos like alphabets, what we say, and in a special character. It sounds like that. It sounds like yeah, yeah. In the words I have already given, manana. Similarly, what we say Thursday, please give the answer in comment. What we say Thursday in Spanish. Similarly, what we say February in Spanish. These are the questions you have to do this to make more stronger and have good pronunciation in learning Spanish. And today I have given the 1 to 20 numbers. So what we say 17. Do let me know. Just type in the comments, and the first one will get a special prize from me. I will give that. So be ready. Let the education begins, which means enseñar es cambiar. Learn to change. So friends, if you like the video, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and visit our channel Aprendor Espanol. Till then, adios, buenas noches, goodbye, good night.